Okay, you guys, so if you have not completed the biography outline assignment, this is where you need to go to complete that. We are going to be creating the skeleton of our essay. So the reason we outline our papers before we write them is it helps us to get all of our ideas in order and organize everything effectively. So that when we go back to write, it's almost like we're filling in the details rather than trying to think of everything we can from scratch. So doing a really quality job on this will help you when we start writing our body paragraphs. The first part's easy. You're just going to download this document, the research paper outline, and it's going to look like this. Okay? You're going to fill in your name, easy, you know that, and you're going to fill in your thesis. We worked on this in class, remember? You created a thesis that has their impact and the 3 ways that they achieved that impact. Okay? You're going to keep working that thesis into your body paragraphs. So, for each section, you're going to create a topic sentence. You're going to come up with 2 pieces of evidence for each paragraph. A piece of evidence can be a quote from an article. It can be a quote from your person, but everything needs to come from a library database. You can use the sources that we've already pulled from our works cited, but you might need to go back to those articles and find information that you didn't include in your annotated bibliography if that isn't exactly what you're looking for. Every piece of evidence needs to correspond with the section that it's in. So if you have impact information in the life facts paragraph, it's not really going to match up, and I'm probably going to have to take points off for that. Okay? Starting with the first body paragraph, you're going to create a topic sentence that lets us know that you are talking about the basic facts of your person's life. In the second body paragraph, you're going to create a topic sentence that lets us know about their achievements. Remember questions like, what are their awards? Who are their supporters? And then finally, you're going to outline a body paragraph about their impact. Okay? At the end of every body paragraph, you're going to include not even complete sentences, just a few words and phrases about things that you think will be important in that paragraph. So maybe my evidence is a quote about his birthday and about his parents, but I really also want to address his hometown and his school. So I would just write hometown and school in this section down here, okay? Finally, the last thing you need to remember is that in this document, if you have a quote, which you will have at least 6 of them, you need to have an in-text citation. So this means you're going to need to go back to those sources and find the author and the page number if that applies. If you can't find the page number, you need to at least include the author's name, okay? And that needs to go in parentheses after every piece of evidence that you use so that I know that you are using a credible source, okay? Remember that you are able to email me and ask questions if you have any at all.